Hi guys, I want to explanations about my cow guys. Why I take my cow here? You know why? That I feel hurt that her baby is died because you know that I'm talking the caretaker that the boy that her husband he said that because they came from my home they say that they eating the plastic so they cannot to pop. So if she, if she make a pop, she can hear a bath. So through this that one the time that my cow is sick, the baby cow is sick. So after that one, too very late to come for my home, so very late. So I decided that the time I'm go there so very sick. Oh, my cow is the kill. We have somebody to kill there. So that's why the mama pig I take it here from my home. I decided guys because I look also the mama cow. There's a lot of bugs and we don't have a vitamins guys because I cannot to going up. Don't come for me. I love you. Look at guys. She ate. Hey guys, my cow is back guys. Look at my cow. We have a lot of bugs. We have a lot of bugs my cow guys. So I call the municipal there from the DA. So that because she want a boy cow, and then the man there's working the municipal in Taliban. He said that we need to put the vitamins and for bugs, so that's why we have injection today guys. Yap. She eat the rice straw powder. Yes, I'm happy she ate it, that one, the powder straw. Oh, she wants water. Ay, finish. Oi, you can to eat. Finish. Look at only here. Only here. Look at. Very salted. We have salted, right? Okay. So this is my mama cow. So skinny guys. Look at a lot of bugs. See? Look at a lot of bugs. But it's finished already to put the medication, that one. I don't know why for this. She got a shot for vitamins. Kung ato lang da ipaso din ha sir aron di siya kakuan.
Asa ipasulod?
Kinamdum ko sa akong baboy ba nga gigaid pod paghabal. Nalisa oy. Hawa din ha choy. Para sa mga kato na sir. Wala na nila dahil nakuan dito ni Rolet. Murag way purga-purga ba no?
Grabe magtapak.
Kay bao jud siya. Da. Agay. Ma-action mo siyag tira. Tapin. Gahi. Jesus name. Human na sir?
Mana?
Ah. Tik-tak. Tik-tak.
Ikuan, ituyok ka usa ng pisi aron di ka maglupig sa kusog. Ipahabog kay masuong na ang baka. Na ituyok diya sa bayabas.
Diri usap kining kado. Kining kado hang kuan.
Ang vitamins na sir.
Oh, gani.
Uy. Humok pa na siyag panit. Tirahan. Hoy, mana lagi. Mana.
Unod din sa unod. Katungkuan sa panit.
Pati si purga.
Mana.
Nah, mana?
Una harliog. Okay, maglisod na kawan na.
Magi na purga ko. Dikat din.
Tubo.
Mana.
Kini manguwag naman yung mga gusto puhon.
Gini.
Ang Oktobras na
2 years. Oh, December mag 2 years man siya. Kuan, December.